This week in Boston, a 34-year-old man suffering from allergies let out a sneeze. It was a sneeze so violent, it literally broke his brain. When he recovered, he found he had completely forgotten how to read. Doctors were stunned to find the sheer force of the sneeze had caused a temporary neurological glitch, effectively rebooting the language center of his brain. After 24 hours of terrifying illiteracy, the man's ability to read slowly returned. But his bizarre medical case has gone viral, leaving all of us to wonder about the fragile wiring of our own minds and the terrifying power of a simple sneeze.